Hey guys, what is up? I didn't post on Thursday, I know. Ooh. I have been sick. It's not COVID though. It's definitely not COVID. So, we're good to go. I am here with the Q&A. And I'm really excited because I love answering questions. It's a thing that I just love to do. And so I'm really excited that I get to do that. Once again, thank you for 1K. Subscribe if you're new. And yeah, let's just get into it. So I'm just gonna go like in a random order. I'm just gonna read them off. So this person said tips for getting into college. So honestly, I would just say do your best in high school, because it's not that like I did anything special to get into college. It's not that anybody does like special things to get into college. It's just like if you find something you enjoy and you just do your best at it and like just try to get good grades, you know, turn in your assignments, that always helps. Yeah, that's what I would say. And just apply. Like if you apply, unless it's like Harvard or something, I feel like you're probably gonna get in. Most people anyway. So good luck for people that are applying for college next year. This coming year. Good luck. Hope you get into the school you want. Okay, so next one. This is from my good friend Taylor to the Bryn Vanalman. She said, what's my favorite memory from Richards? And I'm trying to think. Oh my gosh. So Richards is like my elementary and middle school. It's like pre-K through 8th grade that's where I went as Richards. When one kid, we were in choir and some people convinced this other kid to eat this spider on the floor. And I do not know why. And why he did it, because he did it and then he like missed the next 3 days of school, and it wasn't funny. Like, sorry, I'm glad you're better. Like, obviously we can all laugh about it now, but like, why did you, what? That's so funny to me. So much crazy stuff happened in middle school and elementary, so there's that. What am I studying? So I think there was another question about that too. I'm a biology major at umkc, so I am doing a lot of science right now because I'm studying to either be a doctor or a dentist. So I do plan on at least going here for 4 years, but maybe I'll be here for 8. And yeah, so I have very high goals. We shall see. You guys will be on this journey with me as I go through college life, but so far it's hard. I'm not even gonna lie about it, it's hard, but I think it's good. When did I start getting into vlogging and YouTubing? So I honestly, you can ask any of my friends, I've been vlogging for at least a few years because I don't know why. I just love talking to a camera. I don't know how to, that sounds crazy. Okay, so like my camera roll is full of just videos of me talking to myself. And that's just, I don't know, because I have this thing where like I like to feel heard or like listened to, and talking to the camera just lets me get it out whether I show it to people or not. So like if I ever need to vent, I will literally turn on the camera and film me venting, but I never show anyone those videos, you know, but like it helps me just like feel like someone's listening. So that's when I've just kind of always been into it, I'm not gonna lie. And I started YouTubing because I was in quarantine and I was like, I've always wanted to do this. I had nothing to do. Boom, perfect storm. You know what I mean? Favorite part about UMKC? Probably the fact that this is so nerdy, oh my god. Probably the fact that it's a research school, because that means that every teacher is so knowledgeable. And actually, all the teachers I've had so far have been really, really helpful whenever it comes to like asking questions and stuff like that. And everyone here, like there's no one that goes to the school that's just like here to mess around. You know what I mean? Like there's not people here that are just going to college to go to college. Well, not any people that I know of. Like people that I've met, they're all like pre-med, pre-pharmacy, pre-dental, pre-politician, pre-lawyer. Like it's crazy. Like, so I think I really like that because it's like everyone is a very like driven person at UMKC from what I've seen personally. My favorite coffee, I would hands down have to say a oat milk latte with honey and cinnamon. That is my favorite drink. Any version of that I get. Oh, iced for sure iced, because I have a weird thing with like warm drinks. I don't know. So how is Blake doing? My little brother, guys. Blake's doing pretty good. I don't want to like say too much about Blake because like I don't know how much he wants me to share, but Blake's doing good. He's a little freshy this year, same as me. Look up on him, and yeah, there'll definitely be updates if something crazy happens, but yeah. So run or lift? Definitely lift. I hate running. Fun fact about me, I do it sometimes, but I don't like it that much. Okay, this girl, I love, this is so cute. Okay, so it says, hey, I wanted to start a YouTube, but I'm scared of judgment. She was like, stupid, I know, but any tips? And I would say, okay, this is, once again, it might sound crazy. So I was honestly afraid of the same thing. I was afraid that I'd be judged, my friends wouldn't support me, or like whatever. I just say, for a tip, dive straight in. Just do it. Because like, I enjoyed it so much before. Like I said, I videoed anyway, so like I enjoyed doing that so much before I like started posting them, that I just started posting them, and it felt good to just have them out there whether people were watching them or not, if that makes sense. Like it was just exciting that like anybody watched them. And I know that like I have really supportive friends, thank goodness. So like my friends always hype me up every single video, like them, their family, they're always watching, and that's so nice. Like my family loves to watch them too, and it's just like a good creative outlet for me. And so I would just say, figure out what kind of videos you want to make, because like I just like vlog. Okay, you'll probably want to make what you watch. So like I watch vlogs, obviously I vlog. Yeah, I just say just dive in, find your support system, and just do it, because yeah, it's really fun. And honestly, the whole judgment thing, I was kind of worried about that at first too, but you'd be so surprised how many people are really excited about it for you. You'd be really, really surprised. And also another thing I did was I like gave it a test run, if you will, on my Snapchat. So I have this Snapchat vlog, and I think this person has my Snapchat, so if you do, add me and yeah, anyway, so I have this Snapchat vlog where like I definitely share way more information, because like I don't have to worry about the internet, you know, it's just like my people that I actually know on there. And I asked on there, I was like, would you guys watch me on YouTube? And they were like, yeah. And I was like, oh, sick. So yeah, so you'd be surprised. It honestly boosts my confidence knowing that people like it, you know what I mean? People think I'm fun. That's really nice. So my major, said I was biology. How's college going? Like I said, it's super hard. Yeah. I'm very busy, and it's really hard, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm stressed out, but I'm working on stress management, so whenever I figure that out, I'll let you know. Have I had COVID? No. Been tested multiple times. At this point, I'm kind of used to it. My biggest pet peeve? Oh, I have a few. So when people are looking, so like if I was like on my phone right here, and people are looking over my shoulder, Blake does it all the time, and it drives me insane. I hate, like I don't have anything to hide. It's just like, why are you looking at all my information? And then probably the other one, I know for, it just makes me like shiver, would be at the grocery store, people with the cart walking behind you. I literally feel like they're gonna run over my ankles. Like I hate, whoa, I almost dropped my phone. I hate, like, can you just picture that? Like here's the cart, here's my ankles. It's just like, oh, I don't know. So yeah, those things are my biggest pet peeves. Like I do not walk in front of grocery carts. Don't do it. Would I ever dye my hair? Probably. Okay, Mom, just a little fun thing for you. My mom did not ask this, but like, I kind of want to dye my hair pink, but like a pastel pink, but I don't think I'll do it. But I kind of want to. Just so you guys know. So if I ever have a mental breakdown, my hair might be pink. So you'll know. You'll know. Blake asked if anyone asked me anything. Yeah, Blake, they did, so I'm making this video. Some other people asked me some stuff that I'm not gonna answer, like who's my favorite brother and favorite roommate. I'm not gonna answer that. You guys are my favorites for different reasons. Like, you know what I mean? So yeah, I guess that's it for today. So I we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching this video. This was so fun. This is the first sit-down video that I've filmed since I've moved here, and I miss it because it's like really easy for me to we're just like chilling, we're just hanging out. And so yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new. Also remember to go follow my Instagram, because this is where I post like, you know, like my questions and like, so I'll put my Instagram thingy right here. Turn on the bell, and yeah, I'll see you next time.
Missing someone.